Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance US. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for security and regulatory compliance. Once verified, you can easily fund your account using various methods like bank transfers or debit cards. This ensures you're ready to start trading your favorite cryptocurrencies quickly and safely on the platform. Once your account is funded, you're ready to explore the trading options. Binance US offers a user-friendly interface where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. You can place market orders for immediate execution or set limit orders to buy or sell at a desired price. Always remember to understand the market before making any trades. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable, perfect for long trading sessions or just everyday wear. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. When it's time to withdraw, be aware of any daily limits and associated fees. You can easily transfer funds back to your linked bank account or send crypto to an external wallet. Always double-check addresses before confirming any transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.